right, Luke.
We're
got
back.
a couple things. We are back. We disappeared briefly.
Momentarily.
I've got a couple things to show you.
Yeah.
First one, we'll do the Nothing Ear 1.
Mm-hmm.
These are the earbuds. So let me pull up the camera here so I can kind of play to it for you.
Yeah.
Let me tell you a little bit about these as well. Now, these are black. This is truly an unboxing. I have not even scored or done anything to pull it out.
Yeah.
So you can see. And I noticed this on pictures that they are very, very into the look and the cosmetic, like the appeal.
It's very like industrial, maybe cyberpunk techie kind of feel.
Yeah. I think there's design choices here that are very deliberate.
Yes.
And not just kind of like, this is our version of them.
Right.
Very deliberate. So these, and actually I'll give them over to you to take a look at if you wanted to. All right. So we're seeing immediately
they want to connect.
That these have Google Fast Pair.
They do.
So they want to pair automatically and walk you through the process of doing that on your phone, which is a nice thing that doesn't come with every set of earbuds.
No.
Traditionally, you go into Bluetooth settings and then you got to play around with it, give it a little bit of search. Do you know if it's pull out and you have it on one ear, is it, automatically trying to pair? Do I have to hold down a button? Fast Pair takes care of that for you. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit of a glare. But these are very cool looking.
Yeah, they are.
And they have, maybe a little too close. These have a little bit of a stem to them.
It's not as long as I would have thought it was.
Yeah, I would have pictured maybe another like third of that.
Yeah.
So these, pull up some specs for you, come with 34 hours of playback per the case. So that's going to be a combined play. These 34 hours, if you think about it, that's easily, if you're doing an hour commute to and from,
right,
that's really only, you're looking at 7 hours a week.
Yeah.
So if it's a couple hours at the gym, mixed usage maybe around the house, mowing the grass, picking up snow, leaves, and all that stuff, just using them regularly, this is the kind of thing that you're only going to charge really once a week.
If that. Right.
So, and it has a USB-C plug-in here. And these also charge wirelessly.
Oh, nice.
So you can put them on a wireless platter and charge them up. So that's a common thing in some of the more premium.
Right. Yeah, we're seeing it more and more.
And that's something that used to be reserved for just really high end.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like a feature creep or adding that in, start to expect that in your mid range.
Right.
Now these are only priced $99.
It's pretty good.
So these have an 11.6 millimeter driver.
Okay.
So that's a pretty good size driver. It's going to have pretty nice sound.
Yep.
These come in black and white color options. So obviously what we have here are the black. These are going to be active noise cancellation.
Yep.
So that you can, if you're in an environment that's kind of got some white noise in the background, this is the type of thing that's going to kind of clear that out. You're not going to hear like things bleed into your music,
right,
into your podcast or whatever you're listening to. IPX4 waterproof rating. So if you have, something that you want to wear, for a jog or a run, these are going to work just fine for that.
Right.
They're going to be resistant to water, resistant to a little bit of sweat, and they feel like they're going to clean pretty easily. Let's see what else is in the box here. You've also got your USB-C cable, and then looks like your user manual, and then you have a number of earplugs. So I've said this before, most times earbuds are going to come with like a medium size, and they're going to give you one or two other sizes either above or below that. So these come with a small and a large. So these are going to give you 2 other sizes, and you can see they actually have a pretty. It's pretty obvious that they do get bigger and smaller.
Yeah.
So I usually recommend for people plug in the ones that they give you.
Mm-hmm.
Usually that's going to work. And then if it's a little bit too snug, go with the smaller one. Or if you feel like it just kind of wants to fall out, go with the other larger one.
Sure.
So I'll be curious to check these out,
Yeah.
put them through, come back with a full review,
Mm-hmm.
and check out how these work in terms of sound quality, battery, and
Yeah.
all that other fun stuff. So these are the Nothing Ear One
Yes.
earbuds.